No.
And how old are you?
She's no.
Yes. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay. What fruit do you like? Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza too. Okay, now let me pick here. Part 1. Can you tell me what sound is this?
E.
And the action. How do you spell it? The action. The action.
E.
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 Okay, what sound is this?
R.
The action. How do you spell it?
R.
Okay. Now B. Lady. Number 1.
B.
E.
E. B.
Okay. Now 2.
E. Lick.
Good job. Yeah.
E. Beef. R. Corn.
Good job. And here.
R. No.
Very good. Okay, now in part 2, listen and this. A. Listen and choose the word A. I will say the name and you use your finger to tell which one. Okay? For example, in number 1, sword. Number 1 here. Yes. Okay, number 2, fork. Yes. Number 3, sit. Number 4, plate. Number 5, airport. Airport. Yes. Now D, listen and choose words. Okay, number 1, very cool. I say D. D. Beef. Yes. Number 2, stop. Yes. Good. Number 2. Now number 3, street. Number 4, pool. Pool. Number 5, beach. Yes. Okay, now in part 3 about the police. In number 1 and number 2, you will find the missing sound here. So write like this. Okay, number 1. What is this?
Duck.
So the missing sound here is which one? Yes. What sound is this?
R.
Yes. Number 2. The missing sound here is.
U.
So the missing sound here is. Yes. E. Very good. And the last part today in part 4, you will read. Let's have it read number 1 and number 2. Number 1. Look.
Look.
Look at
Look at
the
the bee.
the
The bee is the bee.
here.
Look. Is
Look at
is
the
the stuck.
the
The stuck is
the
the park.
very good. See, thank you and goodbye. See you later. Yeah, thank you so much. Good job. Gọi cho cô bạn Minh Khang.